Hello guys, welcome to Kids Can Cook Kitchen. My name is Chef Ken and today we are going to make a yummy Caesar salad. So on our ingredients, we have bread, chicken breast, apple, tomato, lettuce, mayonnaise, and some seasoned salt. So this is very easy and quick. So with our bread, we'll make croutons. So cut the bread into cubes. So croutons are just toast bread that are cut into cubes. So why we have croutons, they give the salad a crunchy taste. Okay, sawa sawa. So hot pan on. Make sure the pan is hot. Salads are very healthy. But now this salad has a twist because the chicken breast is our protein. So ukiwa home, hii ni a full meal, not only a salad because tuko na carbohydrates as our bread, tuko na protein, and we have the vegetables. So hii ni salad tu poa sababu iko na everything combined. You can take this and sleep. Hakuna haja ukule food ingine. So tuna toast mkate, hot oil, just to give it some color and some crunchiness. Cause ukieka mkate ikiwa in this original form, ita soak. Cause the salad will be a bit wet. Okay, so in goes our bread. So cut the meat into cubes. So chicken breast ni very easy to cook. That's why tunatumia chicken breast. 3-5 minutes, the chicken breast is done. So tunakata chicken breast yako into cubes pia. So in my previous video nilipea Chef Gordon Ramsay compare. So I bisected a chicken. Divide chicken blindfolded. So this breast is one of the parts that nilitoa kwa hiyo kuku. So watch that video and it will be amazing. Nilipea Chef Gordon Ramsay. Imagine blindfolded and portioning a chicken. So this is how you toast your bread. Make sure it's brown each and every side. So we have our chicken. So vile nilisema, the chopping board that you work with, raw meat, don't cut your vegetables on the chopping board. So after this, I'm going to remove this chopping board, nioshe mkono, nioshe kisu, then I'll bring a clean chopping board for cutting my vegetables. Okay? So at home, make sure you wash your vegetables with running water always. Okay? So guys, I've replaced my chopping board. The chicken is cut into cubes and my bread is ready. So now, bread ready. So on the same pan, add some oil. Hot pan. So we'll be frying our chicken. So for the tomato, I do peel the tomato. You can use this tomato ama utumie cherry tomatoes. So it's optional. Also peeling is optional. So unaweza peel nyanya. So peel the tomato, cut it into cubes. So most of our ingredients tunakata into cubes. So nyanya done in. So our pan is hot, sizzling hot. Some soy sauce. A pinch of the seasoned salt. So remember, don't overcook the chicken. You need to be tender and juicy. So we have our apple. So on this set, I'll also peel the apple. Kila kitu hapa leo ni kucut into cubes. A dash of oil. So I also have lettuce, which I'm also going to cut into cubes. So after some few minutes, chicken is ready. Let the chicken cool. So here I have my tomatoes into cubes. Apple pia nimekata into cubes, so nita season na. This is my seasoned salt. A little bit of soy sauce. Mayonnaise. Half in. Lettuce in, or lettuce. Mix, mix, mix. Can see the color. Taste the chicken. So guys, we add the breadcrumbs last. No, the toasted bread last, so that it does not soak. So you can cook your chicken early in advance and let it rest and cool down. So chicken in, a little more of the dressing, bread, and there we go. We have our Caesar salad ready. This is a whole meal, a salad that is a whole meal. Cause tuko na kuku, tuko na mkate, tuko na lettuce, tuko na apples, tuko na tomatoes, tuko na chicken. And now the seasoning. You can use yogurt, mayo, whatever seasoning that, whatever dressing. So mayo ni dressing just to make the salad very yummy. So guys, quick fix Caesar salad. So guys, there we go, our Caesar salad, a quick fix. So from me, Chef Ken of the Kids Can Cook Kitchen, please watch, subscribe, and also remember, we grow young chefs at schools, at home. So our business is teaching kids on how to cook. So thank you. Let me taste. Very nice. Till next time. What?